to Phu Quoc, Vietnam's island paradise. You've probably booked your hotel, saved beach photos, and maybe even dreamed about that seafood dinner by the ocean. But wait, do you know how to handle money once you're here? Where should you exchange your cash? Should you use your card or carry dong? And how much is enough for a perfect day on the island? Don't worry, we've got you covered. With VietnamTour.in, let's make your journey smooth and stress-free as we guide you through everything you need to know about currency, exchange rates, and safe spending in Phu Quoc. The smart way, the local way. The official currency in Phu Quoc and all of Vietnam is the Vietnamese dong, or VND. You'll see colorful notes ranging from 1,000 to 500,000 Vietnamese dong, each showing important symbols of Vietnam's history and culture, especially the image of President Ho Chi Minh, the nation's beloved leader. Don't worry if the numbers look big. 100,000 Vietnamese dong sounds a lot, but it's roughly just 300 Indian rupees. You'll quickly get used to it, and by your second day, you'll be handling dongs like a local. The current exchange rate is about 1 Indian rupee equals 280 to 290 Vietnamese dong, though it may change slightly. That means 1,000 rupees gives you around 280,000 dong. Enough for a nice local meal, a fresh coconut drink, and a taxi ride back to your hotel. Before you travel, check the rate online or ask your travel consultant at VietnamTour.in. We always help guests get the latest, most accurate rate. When you arrive in Phu Quoc, the best places to exchange money are banks, authorized exchange counters, or major hotels. The airport also offers exchange services, but the rates may be slightly lower. Avoid street money changers, even if they promise a better rate. It's simply not worth the risk. Always count your cash carefully and keep the receipt after exchanging. If you're booking your trip with VietnamTour.in, we can help arrange safe exchange options or include it as part of your arrival assistance, so you can relax and start enjoying your vacation immediately. Now, let's talk about how to pay. Phu Quoc accepts both cash and cards, but not equally everywhere. In resorts, fine dining restaurants, and shopping malls, credit or debit cards are widely accepted. However, in local markets, beach cafes, or when buying souvenirs, cash is essential. Try to carry smaller denominations like 20,000, 50,000, and 100,000 Vietnamese dong. They're perfect for taxis, snacks, or street food. When you pay by card, check if there's an international transaction fee from your bank, sometimes 2 to 3%. Knowing this helps you plan better. ATMs are available across Phu Quoc, in Duong Jong Town, Long Beach area, and near major resorts. They usually dispense up to 2 to 3 million Vietnamese dong per withdrawal, and most accept Visa, MasterCard, or RuPay. Withdraw only what you need for a few days and keep your main cash in a safe place, like a hotel locker. It's also wise to keep 2 separate wallets, one for daily use and one for emergency backup. Phu Quoc is affordable but flexible. You can enjoy it on any budget. For Indian travelers, an average daily budget of 1.2 to 2 million Vietnamese dong, about 4,000 to 7,000 Indian rupees, covers meals, transportation, entrance tickets, and even a sunset cocktail by the beach. If you're planning luxury experiences like a day at Vin Wonders or a spa treatment, you can easily pay by card. Otherwise, cash is perfect for small spontaneous moments, a coconut on the sand, a quick street snack, or a smile you want to tip for. When you travel to Phu Quoc, the goal is simple: to enjoy every moment without worry. Understanding the local currency and spending wisely helps you do just that. With VietnamTour.in, your journey is not just about beaches and sunsets. It's about peace of mind. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Vietnam travel tips, experiences, and inspiration, all made for Indian travelers by people who truly care. Join us at VietnamTour.in and let your Vietnam adventure begin.